What's this? Ah! Cabo! Jesus! Hey! And everyone wonders why this couch is all torn up. Thorough! Hey, does your dog know Harry Potter tricks? Mine does. Leviosa. Oh, are you okay?
I'm Christian, this is Kylo, and this is our rolling home, the Condor. I went full-time almost over a year now, and about 2,100 miles later, ended up back home in Christian's old stomping grounds. Reconnecting with family and making some much-needed repairs, but now it's finally time to pack up and get back on the road. This is WoahItsChristian.
Hey, cutie. You good boy? Wag that tail for me. Yeah, come on, wag the tail. You good boy? No, stay there. Wag your tail for me. Come on. Hi. Close enough. Show everyone your new sweater. Look like a college jock. Oh, okay. Camera shy? Alright. Are you looking for a toy? Kylo. Hey. Hi, buddy. Hello. You know that feeling you get when you drop $700 on a laptop and then not even probably 2 weeks later your phone starts to go out? And now you might need a new phone too? Oh Lord. So I've been having, if you didn't know, I have the iPhone 5. I have the XR. I have the iPhone XR, which is basically the 10s, and I've been having charger port issues, so I just took a toothpick and tried my best to clean it out. So it's charging now, so let's see. Yeah, I really need to clean that screen. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. Hey guys, show everyone your new sweater. You look like a college jock. Hi, bud. Alright, my goal this morning is to clean all this mess. Because we've been snowed in for almost 2 weeks. Oh goodness, but it's time for some spring cleaning. Right guys, come on, give me a hug. Oh yeah. Do you want to piggyback, Ray? Come on, guys. Come on. Ah! Hi. Good boy. Hey, smile. Oh, like that was so adorable. You with the backwards ears. These Scooby-Doo ears. Wanna go outside? Let's see what we got. Hamburger buns that expired over a month ago. Hot dog buns that expired almost 2 months ago. Put it in the basket. Alright, does butter expire? Yes it does, because it's a dairy product. Oh yeah, this is expired anyway. Okay. Here. Want a piece of ham? Might as well finish it off. Here. Don't say it did anything for you. Actually, I'm gonna break it up for you. Don't say it didn't do anything for you. Here. Take it, weirdo. Here. Take it. Now he's gonna be farting in my face all night. Take it. Don't choke. Alright. Bread that's probably stale. These are stale. Yeah. This is pretty much done. Actually, when did that expire? Corn syrup. Yeah, January. Alright, I think that's it. Now to wipe these guys down. Oh, a little update on the fridge. Perfectly. It was a temperature thermostat, so it's working way better now. Oh, they smell ferocious, man. Ugh, gross. Okay, where's my cleaning chemicals? You farted. I can smell it. Oh my god. Told ya. There we go, that's better. Alright, that's gonna have to stay there. Yeah, my phone won't turn on at all. He does this every morning. Hey. Did you find what you're looking for? What's that? Morning, mister. He usually smiles a little bit when I do this. Come on, smirk. I know that feels good. Come on. Come on. Do the smirk. You're not gonna do the smirk? Hey. I want to see Kylo's reaction. Oh, you. All right, come. Come. What do you think? What do you think? If you pee on it, I'm gonna laugh my ass off. It's got drain holes at the bottom, so let's see. You like it? I think you like it. Yeah, it's softer on your paws, huh? Hey, come back. Come on. Get in there. Go to your house. Go to your room. Come on. Hi, buddy. Let me kiss. Good morning. It is pouring rain outside. Morning, mister. Would you like some breakfast? Hey, kiss. Want some breakfast? It's pouring rain outside, and I forgot to cover up the bikes, and it's gonna be raining all day. This happens every time. I'd rather have rain than snow, to be honest, so it sounds like a light rain. Yeah, so I'm gonna go cover up the bikes. Oh wait, let me feed Kylo first. Good boy. Kylo, get it. Get it. Morning. Pardon my SpongeBob PJs. So I'm trying to do better about what to drink in the morning. So I've been drinking these. Let's see that. Pina colada smoothie, if it can focus. Oh my god. Bro. Kylo freaking eating cinnamon toast crunch over here. But yeah, I've been drinking these like once a morning, maybe twice a morning, and it's been really good. I'm trying to not drink soda in the morning, like old Christian. New Year's resolution. But yeah, I'm gonna get up and start doing some chores and go cover the bikes because it's pouring rain outside.
For centuries. And the belief goes that every vessel ever named is recorded in the ledger of the deep, Poseidon's personal register.
Let's get you inside.
Before I forget, I keep forgetting to include it in the end of the video, but most of you know or don't know, I actually have a gaming channel, and I revived it recently, but I've had it since 2014, 2013. I haven't touched this thing in years, but I recently revived it, and I wanted to tell you guys because I'm getting a bunch of Whoa, I am slurring my words. Am I drunk this morning? I'm getting a bunch of new subscribers and new people to the channel, so I just wanted to let you guys know that my gaming channel is back up and running, and I officially named it Games on Wheels. Yes, so go over here and check it out. Look at me and Kylo anime style. But yeah, but don't worry, the RV videos aren't going anywhere. Whoa. The RV videos aren't going anywhere. The main channel's still staying here. It's kind of cool to have another channel and have, I don't know, Games on Wheels. Living in an RV and gaming, it sounded like a cool gimmick. So I was like, I'm just trying to end. Because you remember, this gaming channel has been Christian Turner Games to Jupiter Gaming, now Games on Wheels. So I think Games on Wheels actually sticks, and I'm pretty sure it's not copyrighted. So anyways, go subscribe, like this video, comment. Yeah, I just love you guys. Oh, and welcome to the channel, all you new people. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. It's so hard doing this with one hand, by the way.